Much like PowerPoint or other presentation programs, you can order shapes, texts, or pictures front or back to layer them where they can all be seen, like the arrows to the next circle. Now the sequencing and animation part is where things can get a little tricky. Even though I covered animation in the last task, I'm going over it a second time because the feature itself is very versatile. Under Insert, you will see Animation. When clicking on it, you'll see the menu pull up on the right. You will need to select which object this will apply to. For example, from the front view, I added the Zoom to animation for the first circle to help the audience focus their attention there. I did the same thing for the next circles in order. Looking at your menu on the right, you can see the viewing sequence and preview each step to make sure that it flows how you want. The order can be changed with a quick drag and drop feature, adding between or deleting an animation completely. Don't worry if you don't get this right away. You need to play with it a little bit and give it a little bit of time and practice. This finished animation would look like this.